Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we come to the final part of chapter 2, kinematics, where we will discuss motion under the influence of gravity. When an object moves vertically upward or downward under the influence of gravity, this object executes linear motion with constant acceleration, since it is moving with constant gravitational acceleration. This motion is called free fall motion. The displacement is along the y-axis and the direction up is the positive y direction. The gravitational acceleration is g equal to negative 9.81 meter per second square. Now let us look at several examples. Example 6. A ball is dropped from rest at a height of 50 meters above the ground. A. Compute the speed just before it hits the ground. B. Compute the time taken for the ball to reach the ground. From the question, we are given the initial velocity to be 0 meter per second since the ball is dropped from rest. We are also given the vertical displacement to be negative 50 meters and the gravitational acceleration is negative 9.81 meter per second square. Calculating the speed, we use v square equal to u square plus 2as. Substituting all the values, we have v equal to square root of 981. Square root of 981 has two values, positive or negative 31.32. But here, the answer is negative since v indicates the direction of the ball that is moving downward. B. Calculating the time taken. So we use the equation v equal to u plus at. Okay, substituting all the values, so we have t equal to 3.19 seconds. Example 7. A stone is thrown straight upward and rises to a height of 20 meters from the ground. The stone is then left to hit the ground on its way downward. A. With what speed was it thrown? B. Calculate the time taken for the stone to hit the ground after it is thrown upward. A. At the maximum height of 20 meters from the ground, the final velocity of the stone is 0 meter per second. Applying the equation v square equal to u square plus 2as, we substitute all the values to get u equal to square root of 392.4, and again here u is positive since the object is moving upward. B. The time taken for the stone to hit the ground after it is thrown upward is twice the time taken by the stone to reach the height of 20 meters from the ground. Using s equal to half u plus vt, we get t equal to 2.02 seconds. That is the time taken for the stone to reach the maximum height. So the total time taken for the stone to hit the ground is 2 times 2.02, that is 4.04 seconds. Thank you for your attention. That's all for chapter 2. This video concludes our discussion on kinematics. Please go to MOOC page for PHY083 for additional activities and assessment materials.